Now, the boys' claim was 50% and we asked 100 girls randomly. Now, we have a formula. We put the numbers 50% and 100 in it and we get a result. For example, the result is 5%. I'll talk about the formula in a minute. No need to know for now. Just know that we use these numbers. And this 5% is our magical number. This means that if we add and subtract 5% from the boys' claim 50%, we get an interval at 68% confidence level. If we add and subtract 2 times 5%, we get an interval at 96% confidence level. If we add and subtract 3 times 5%, we get an interval at 99% confidence level. That's it. We don't need a computer, that's all. At the same time, you don't need to memorize these values. There is a table, so-called z-table. These values are already written in that table. It says that if you want an interval at 96% confidence level, add and subtract 2 times the magical number. That's all. We can use that table in the exam. Our sweet professors at least allows this. Likewise, for example, z-table says that if you want an area at 80% confidence level, add and subtract 1.28 times the magical number you found. Likewise, if you want an interval at 85% confidence level, add and subtract 1.44 times the magical number. In this way, we can make whatever interval we want. That's it. The magical number can change. For example, we didn't ask 100 girls, we asked 80 girls. We don't write 100 in the formula. We write 80. So, the magical number becomes a different number. But the table doesn't change. We multiplied the magical number we found with the number in the table. So, we make the interval we want. Now, let's solve a similar example. The boy said that 40% of the girls at school love him. It will be the same story again. If the result we find is not close to 40%, we will reject his claim. Again, we will find the magical number according to the formula. Again, we will make intervals according to the z-table. Here, the boy's claim is 40%. And for example, we asked 70 girls. We write the numbers 40% and 70 in the formula and find the magical number. For example, it is 3%. And we want to make an area with 96% confidence level. Z-table says that we should add and subtract 2 times the magical number. It's 6%. So, this is our area. If we find a value out of here, we reject the hypothesis. That's it. We understand the hypothesis testing. As the continuation of the subject, in the next video, the boy will make different claims. For example, he will say that at least 50% of the girls in school love him. Or he will say that at most 50% of the girls love him. Things will change just a little bit. But be sure that they are much easier. And understanding z-table and the formula will be much easier with the next video. See you!